Hey guys, Choppers01 here, and T-Dog. Hey, I got some mail, guys. I got some mail. Hang on, we'll see if we can stack this up here. Now, I've already opened this, so I know who it's from. It's from old Tom, Rambler69. But check these guys out. Look at that. I love that card, Tom. That's awesome, mate. Old school's good school, I reckon. So, you guys go and check him out. I don't think I can put a link. I'm doing this on my tablet, and I don't think I can put a link to Tom's channel. But I'll see how I go. Old Tom Rambler69. Go and check him out, guys. And he also sent me a little sticker. I'll put that on my ute, on my truck. So that'll be awesome. But there you go, Tom. That'll be up there, mate, on my pride. And I'll find somewhere to put your card. I'm in a new house at the moment, so my sticker board got destroyed in the floods, so I don't have that anymore. So I'll find somewhere, a pride, a place to put that, mate. And this will go on my truck. And if the mangy dog down there doesn't stop woofing, oi! Oh, he's a bag of fleas. Alright guys, bye for now.